Steve from JRDM Jewelers, and this week I wanted to go over another commonly asked question we get from our customers here at the store, and that is, one, how do I know if my Mikimoto jewelry is real, and two, what is the value? So let's just get right into it. With the bracelets and the pearl strands, basically, just like any fashion piece, Mikimoto has an engraving mark that is easily recognizable for all their pieces. On the bracelets and the strands, there's the outline of the oyster there with the engraved M, and also, as you can see, the dangling M that you'll see signature to Mikimoto, and that'll show that it is an authentic Mikimoto piece. Let me go ahead and pull up the necklace for you as well so you can see it there. Again, the outline of the pearl with the M and the dangling M as well. Now, the dangling M is not always on all the pieces, especially older Mikimoto pieces, but you will definitely see that engraving mark there. That's been a trademark of theirs for many, many years. Then on the earrings, they do something a little bit differently. If you look at the earrings on the stem, you can either see the whole word Mikimoto engraved or on the back of the post. And now it's a little bit difficult to see. You might need a magnifying glass, but it is there. On this piece, it actually has it in both places, but sometimes it's only in one or the other. The Mikimoto name will actually be written there for you. And then finally, on the rings, they have on the inside of the shank, you also see that Mikimoto oyster, the outline with the M, and that'll show that, again, it's an authentic Mikimoto piece. Now the next question, which is probably even more asked, is what's the value of my pieces? Well, for that, you will have to have your pieces appraised, but the most difficult part in going through that process is actually just making sure your pieces are authentic. So since that's something that you can do, once you have that resolved, you can come into any authorized Mikimoto location. Sometimes they have an on-site appraiser there, but most of the time they'll recommend sending it in directly to Mikimoto. That way you can have it appraised by Mikimoto. It gets sent to Japan, it goes through a bunch of lab tests, they give you a whole report at the end of it, and then the value of your current strand. And that usually happens because most people, these are heirloom pieces, these are pieces they want to transfer over to their grandkids or their children, and then when you inherit it, you just want to make sure you're authentic and can get it appraised for the right value. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments.